So Decibullz just sent me out something really cool. I haven't even opened it yet, so I want to show you as we walk through how this product actually works. So this is Decibullz Safe and Sound custom moldable Bluetooth wireless earplug headphones. So for me, something like this really comes in handy. I love to go to the gun range and do some target practice. I'm also in very loud automotive shops all the time, so things that'll protect my hearing are very important. So let's open this up and see what we've got. I'm really excited to see this. All right, open it up and we see what we got. So this is the audio part right here. This is going to go around your neck, and these are the two mini speakers that are going to plug into the pieces that you're going to customize which fit in your ear, and these pop into there. That's what's going to give you your sound. This is obviously the kit for being able to custom mold these to your ears. I'm going to take some time. I'm going to read the instructions. We're going to walk through actually how to custom configure these to my ears, and I'm going to let you know how that process goes. I'm going to take you with me the whole time. So let's check it out. So the process really couldn't have been easier. If you've ever fitted a custom mouthpiece before for sports or for your bike guards or anything like that, it's just like it. So take some boiling water. You're going to use the tool that they have that holds the earpieces in, and you soak that for 5 minutes. That's going to get the plastic part that's going to be custom fitted nice and malleable. Pull it out, let it cool off a little bit. Make sure that you have the plugs in the back. Read the instructions, find out where the plugs are. Put the plug in the little hole. That way it's going to retain that circle shape for you whenever you're molding it. Pop it in your ear, and you're just pressing around as it cools to make sure it's really nicely fitted. Now I can tell you that when you have it in your ears, it is blocking sound, and they really work great. I was concerned about taking them in and out. I was wondering how difficult they'd be to get back in once I got them out. But wow, that custom fit, you just pop it right in and easy peasy. Now, for the Safe and Sound model that has the Bluetooth, all you're going to do then is pop that plug out. Now you're going to pop the speaker in, and there you go. You've got custom fitted headphones. So this piece is going to go around your neck. It's got a power, it's got a volume up and down, number of different modes to it. I've synced it up to my Bluetooth, and it sounded terrific. And then these just go right into your ears, and you see how easy those fit. And great fit. Hard to hear with them in there though. That's the point. But they sound terrific. Sound quality is really good. You can remold these. So if something happens and you feel like, I just didn't get the fit that I was looking for, just follow the instructions again. It'll become soft once more. You can mold it back into shape, pop it in your ears, and then now get that custom fit that you're looking for. So check these out from Decibullz. These are, you're able to upgrade and do a lot of different modifications just by, if you were to pop this Bluetooth speaker out, they have other things that you could pop in there. So definitely check out Decibullz. Well worth it if you're a shooter, if you're in a loud environment like a shop or anything like that, to protect your hearing. So check these out.